He is the most readiest boy. He loves going bye-bye and goes to school. Yes, and he gets so excited. And we're hoping if we get him out there on YouTube, maybe he could find a woman and get married and settle down. Yeah, a girlfriend, woman. And settle down and get married and maybe have a family. Would you like to have a family, Bugs? He's just ready to go to school right now. Bugs is getting ready to go to school. You going? Oh, he's having a snack. Bugs! Come on, let's get around here and see him. Bugs! He's going bye-bye. He's ready. There he goes. You going to school? He's the most readiest dog. Oh, he's ready. Are you ready? Is he ready? Is he going? You going? Going to school?
Let's go.
He's ready. Ready? Let's go. Let's go.
I have to get on over the door.
Let's go. And we're off. We're on our way to school.
Bobbling.
Woo! Bobblehead.
And he likes to pretend he's driving.
Yes, he does. He's a driver. He bobbles for everybody.
Bugsy's a bobbler. Bugs! Bugs are brownie. Bugs been doodling. Uh-oh.
Stop it. Don't get me.
Uh-oh.
Danny, you just ruined it.
Bugs been doodling!
We're almost at school.
Woo! Uh-oh. Bugs! Mr. Bugs! Over here.
Bubby.
Ooh, the bobbler.
Bugsy is a bobblehead. He takes his job seriously. Don't you, little bug? Little bug. Bug-a-roni. The San Francisco tree. He's got lots of nicknames.
Turn it up. Dum dum dum. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Crap! 365, empty 5, 73, one more time, get low. Get low. To the window. To the wall.
Okay, this is after school, and Bugsy is sitting on Grandma Bonnie's lap. And you say pee-pee or poopy, or caca, or crap. He thinks he did something wrong.
We're trying to get in the wiggle.
Shit.
There we go.
Shit.
Hey, wait now. Harry coming back there. Oh, my.
It's a pee-pee. Get away from me. He's a pee-pee boy. Oh, he's a pee-pee boy. Isn't that cute?
Going on?
There he goes.
He don't know what's going on.
This is a movie star.
My.
Let me have it. I want it. I'm going to get it. Can I have that?
This is after a long day of going bye-bye. Oh, he says bye-bye. You say, oh, you ready to go again? Well, we're going to bed now. And tomorrow you go bye-bye again. Say goodnight, Bugs. Good night, Bugs. Oh, it's bedtime. Are you ready to go to bed, little Bugs? He's going to bed now. Look at him. Oh, look at them big lips. Isn't that special? Sweet dreams, little bugs. Good night. We'll go to school tomorrow again, okay?